Alright guys, in this video we're going to do the shoulders and the hips of the robot. And here we go. So we're going to have the right shoulder, which is number 4. And number 4, which is the right shoulder as I said. Let's grab the right shoulder. Goes here on number 1 on this side. Then we will do the left shoulder. The left shoulder is GPIO 16 apparently. And GPIO 16 is right above 4, which corresponds to the 10 on this thing over here. Great. It really struggles to get in here. Cool. Now we will do the left and the right hip. Starting with left. The left is P7, and P7 goes where it says 0, 0. Oh, that's really a tight squeeze. And then the last hip, which would be the left hip, is P15, and P15 is all the way here where it says 11. Alright, that's all, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue doing the arms.